gel as long as you dance well. It's M3 Washwa, baby, make sure. Or it's your family. Number one. It's a Taliban. See, we got Salamale. They can rock it a figure. Salamale. They can rock it a figure. They say they want to, yeah, they say they want to, yeah. They say they want to, yeah, they say they want to, yeah. Them say industry na big shot. I say I like easy food. Now them say I be material. I want the Ferrari, the Gucci and the Prada. Make them give me my rubber. Them be feeling my package. The girls them like my swagger. Now them know. Them girls them probably short. See their feet and show. No time for corny. Holy moly, macaroni, goldie, make us smoky. I know they smoky, yo. I just get totori the beats now. They say they want to, yeah. 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 Put a salamale, they can rock it a figure. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. They say they want to, yeah. 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 Salamale, they can rock it a figure. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. And the whistle be like the girl in the front, a figure. The girl in the killing me with her waist. I swear she don't make me the feel like she don't take it until when they come go get me. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. To rock them back. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. So long back, they can jam back. Tabadele show machine. Akisibe, Katujobe, Omasi, Kusoyombe, Omasi yo do the kame, Omasi yo do the mele. With a salamale, they can rock it a figure. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. They say they want to, yeah, they say they want to, yeah. They say they want to, yeah, they say they want to, yeah. With a salamale, they can rock it a figure. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. They say they want to, yeah. 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 And the whistle be like the girl in the front, a figure. The girl in the killing me with her waist. I swear she don't make me the feel like she don't take it until when they come. Holy moly, macaroni, goldie, make us smoky. I know they smoky, yo. I just get that story, baby. They say they want to, yeah. They say they want to, yeah. They say they want to, yeah. With a salamale, they can rock it a figure. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. They say they want to, yeah. 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 With a salamale, they can rock it a figure. Salamale, they can rock it a figure. Get away with body, it's word. It's M3 Washwa, baby. That night jazz, best rapping show day. With my main man, or it's your family. It's word.
Okay, and welcome back still on top the late night show for Wazobia TV channel 195 for start time. Yes, not forgetting we always talk and see on top how anything for this show they sweet your body. Or on top how anything they when you want complain about and you want me we know one or two of these things. If you enter our Twitter and do we did there just for you to drop your comment on top anything where they your mind so that we go know what we need to change or what we need to add put. Enter drop them at W Late Night Show. Now there we for Twitter at W Late Night Show. Yes, it can't be say you like us, you want me we know say we like you like us so that we self go like you too. Yes, follow us. Yes, like us for on top Facebook. We did there Wazobia TV NG. We still on top your Instagram IG Wazobia TV NG. Don't forget say personally you feel follow Obi Martins, you feel follow DJ Z Beat, you feel follow me myself where they here, and to follow Obi Martins on top Twitter at I am Obi Martins. At I am Obi Martins. Now there you go jam on top Twitter. Yes, to follow me on top Twitter, that one self they very simple at Oluwa Skimpy. Now there are they at Oluwa Skimpy. Yes, easy be self and down on top Twitter at DJ Easy Beat. that video one I just watched finish, so now the babe wey we dey call, make sure I no forget say some time ago she come sit down inside the studio with us. And if this one na the first time wey you dey watch the video and you gbadun am, you wan follow personally, you fit do am on top Twitter at UAKMeshua. UAKMeshua, na there you go jam the babe on top Twitter. Yes, welcome back to the late night show. May we continue from where we stop. And where we stop, na Cocoa of the day. Yes, we suppose enter people's parliament now, but you know now, easy between on top with chair. We don't be asking one or two questions before.
The night be like this now. We'll end this show.
Yes.
Because we'll end the show because of the night be like this. And we know why. Maybe to go to our viewers so I don't know please anything. Everything there on point. No why, no why. One go do some kind of serious family meeting. The elders, the in-laws that they come today. I don't know if it's this house or not.
Okay.
Yeah, just they plan me for that. They plan me.
No way, you are covered. Insurance cover you.
Give our viewers one assignment.
Yes. The topic of the day we go discuss today, but you know, say on top how you get anything where you want drop on top the level. Because we were with the studio, we no go to talk about and we go just talk pew. But now where they there, we expect make on a throw way plenty give us on top Facebook and on top Twitter. And the topic now be say, she good for you to share your password with your husband, your wife, your boyfriend or your girlfriend. If I dey talk about password, I dey talk about phone on. Not be only password, even your ATM pin. Your ATM pin. You can share it with your partner.
I feel share it. If you share it, see, skip this.
Okay.
You know what? Tomorrow we'll discuss this topic. A strong topic. And the person will follow discuss them. We're supposed to call today.
You go there tomorrow. Yes.
So at this point, you know what if you yourself.
What do you feel?
See, oh my God. Obi ask you now, you can't laugh. Then you can't ask me. Then if you ask me, then who I go ask?
I feel good. Simple answer to wonderful question. Okay, I feel good, but be like say we go just do it and we go turn everything upside down sharply. Yes, we go wrap them up. Yes, we go wrap them up. Don't forget say every day we dey drop word of the day, but now we don't wonder say these days waiting happen.
Make them sort this one out first.
Drop them. Yes, make una sort this one out. Then when we come here tomorrow, we go come drop word of the day for now. We ona go translate to good English. Now the levels with that one. Obi Martin, you give them.
Yeah, the truth is Skimpy not take everything finish, and as it be tonight, no go 2 day like that. You when say you teach Skimpy talk, you go fish share your password, your ATM password, your phone password, anything at all with your partner. No forget, see at W Late Night Show, you go drop this one and make you like us for Wazobia TV, and make you also like us for Instagram for Wazobia TV. At this point, we don't try reach tonight. Different. Our guests ready for traffic and you know fee.
Make them.
Yes, at this point, new if I will pick in, we go carry. The Duke of Day one, the Arabam being one of the late night show. On time waiting, they could have sleep well. They could have good night.
Simple as ABC. Okay, for me here with inside studio, Skimpy, aka Pigeon website, I dey tell una say make una continue the jollificate on our evening till we jam again tomorrow. Make sure say una take care of yourself. Easy beats, you give them.
My country people, now know how to do now. Turn up, so make una swag up, sleep well, as we be talk the Araba and B1 in the yan.
Duke of Inewi.
The Duke of Inewi. Now so that one follow you. Now novice. The Duke of Inewi.
Okay, on that note, now we go take sing music, dance come up for studio till tomorrow where we go jam again.
Give me King Kong.
With it Bawado, make una take care. Thank you, please.
Yeah, give me King Kong. Vector. For example,
Sokonde, yeah, Ubeti Sokonde, yeah, Sokonde, yeah, and then let's go to the beat that I beat that I do, let's go to the beat that I 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 do.